Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying, guys, to find the relay, guys, for the rear window defroster, also known as defogger, guys. If your rear window defroster doesn't work, check that relay. Also, you have a couple of fuses that can do that, that can cause that not to work. So we have a special video about that as well. And we'll have a video on the channel that explains the top 3 things why your rear window defroster doesn't work. So all that will be on our channel, guys. Now you have 2 relays. We're going to cover all that today, and stay until the end, guys. We'll explain how you can test them so you know if you need to replace them or not. We'll cover that as well. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So looking at it right here, 2.4 GDI engine, guys. This is a 2013 Kia Optima. You can see right here we have a fuse box. Okay, one notch here, one there, squish, pull straight up. On the back side you can see the fuse numbers and relays printed. But what we did, we took a picture, we zoomed it a little bit so we can show you with a great detail. The first one is super easy to find relay. Okay, super easy, guys. It says deicer. That's the defroster relay. Okay, that one right here. But you have another one. Make sure you stand till the end. Grab that relay, wiggle it. Okay, and I cannot pull it out. So if you can, what you can do, guys, you can get small pliers. Okay, let me just open them a little bit. We'll show you how you can do that. Grab it, okay, and wiggle it a little bit, pull it out. Perfect, because otherwise it gets stuck. Now if you need to buy a relay, guys, we're going to share the part numbers and where you can get the relay from for really good price and quick shipping in the description of the video below, so please check it out. We'll share it for your convenience. If you need to test them, we have a special video that explains how to do that on Hyundai and Kia, because you can see it says Hyundai Kia relays. So we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Okay, it can save you guys so much, okay, so much trouble by testing the relay and know for sure if it's good or bad. Then we have another one, okay, this one, RHTD, that relay, guys, as well. Okay, can cause that, and we're going to put the part number and everything and where you can get it from in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please, guys, okay, please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with that. If you need help with anything else, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.